Hello everyone, welcome to VITrendz Chennai. I am Mishra. I am from first year CSC core branch. Today is the problem 13 of the PoD text series. Let's start with today's question. Today's question is sides of the rectangle. We are given with the 4 points P1, P2, P3 and P4, and we have to check whether they can be a corner of a rectangle with the side ABC respectively. The naming of the side of the rectangle as shown below: A, P, C, D. For example, if the P1 has the coordinates 2, 12, P2 has the coordinates 14, 12, P3 has the coordinate 14, 22, and P4 has 2, 22, then they can be corners. They A, B, C, and D of a rectangle. Whereas P1 is 5, 12, P2 is 14, 12, P3 is 14, 22, P4 is 2, 22 cannot be the corners of the rectangle. Distance between the P1 and P2 can be calculated with this formula. Basically what we have to do, we have to calculate a distance between the 2 points. Using this formula, we have to input the coordinates of each point, and using this formula we have to calculate the length. If the two sides are equal and the diagonals are equal, then it will form a rectangle, otherwise it will not. If they are forming a rectangle, then we have to print yes, otherwise we have to print no. For input we have to take the 4 points, and output we have to print only yes or no. First we are taking the input points using this list map int. Let me show you points by printing print points. It's not showing. Right. Let's check it. It's not showing. It is taking the points in the input. After that we are assigning the coordinates x1, x2, y3, y1 in the points of the list. It is a list, and in the list there is a nested list of each point having their coordinates. So we are assigning the list 1 and its first element as the x1, and list 1 and the second element as the coordinate. Let me just try it. Then we are assigning the sides of the rectangle A, B, C, CD and AD, and the diagonals AC and BD. We are assigning these formulas. I have used the function power to raise the exponent up to 2. x1 minus x2, this is the same one, and I am raising the exponential power with the function power. Then for this we are using the same, and for the whole it is a root or a power of half. I'm using again a big power function for this, assigning this as the base, the whole as a base, and this is the exponent. Similarly I have done for all the sides. Then we will simply check the condition. If AB equal to CD, BC equal to DA, and AC equal to BD, then we have to print yes, otherwise no. Let's try to print this. Run this. Yeah, it's running. Now I can also show you the points now. I guess print points. Yeah, here you can see a nested list. We are assigning these coordinates: point, the list 1, 0, and its first element 2 as the x1, point, list 1, and its first element as the x1. And for y1 we are doing the same: point, 0, and first element. This is how it is a simple code. We are assigning only the value and using the if condition. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to check the description below for the code and the Insta handle. Thank you.